Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're taking a close look at the hairuwear Raquel Welch Always Long Layered Comfort Cap Wig in the RL2925 Golden Russet shade. This is a synthetic wig designed with true-to-life heat-friendly fibers, promising versatile styling options with a focus on comfort thanks to its average cap size and memory cap 2 technology. Let's dive in and see how it performs in real life. Right off the bat, the specs caught my attention. The wig features layered lengths ranging from 6.5 inches at the front to 13 inches at the nape, giving it a natural flow and volume. The synthetic hair is heat-friendly, so you can style it with a flat iron, curling iron, or blow dryer without worrying about damage. A big plus for anyone who loves changing up their look but doesn't want the upkeep of real hair. The Memory Cap 2 technology means the cap is designed to stretch and mold comfortably to your head, while the extended nape adds to the fit and wearability throughout the day. In terms of actual wear, this wig slipped on smoothly and felt surprisingly light on my head. The lace cap is soft and breathable, which helped avoid that common wig itch or heaviness, especially during longer wear. Styling was definitely a highlight. Whether I curled it for volume or straightened it for a sleek look, the true-to-life fibers responded beautifully, maintaining shine and bounce, without that synthetic plasticky feel you sometimes get. Plus, it held its style well throughout the day, even in slightly humid conditions. One thing I noticed is the layered cut gives the wig great movement, which makes it look more natural than many other synthetic wigs I've tried. The golden russet color is vibrant without being too harsh, perfect if you want warmth that pops but stays wearable. However, the average cap size might not fit everyone perfectly. Those with smaller or larger heads might find it less secure without additional adjustments or wig grips. Now, a quick shout out to you. If you're finding this review helpful so far, please hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell so other beauty lovers can find this honest review too. Your support truly helps keep these insights coming. On the flip side, the wig's price point is on the higher side for synthetic options, but given the heat-friendly fiber quality and fit technology, I think it holds value for those looking for a premium synthetic wig experience. The durability of the fibers also means less frequent replacement, which helps justify the investment. If you're on a tighter budget, you might want to explore other synthetic wigs with heat-friendly fibers but simpler cap construction, though they may not offer quite the same comfort or styling flexibility. Packaging and build quality feel premium. Everything arrived neatly, and the wig's cap materials seem built to last through multiple wears. I haven't had any need to reach out to customer service, but Raquel Welch's brand has a solid reputation for responsive support and quality assurance, so that's reassuring. To wrap it up, this wig really shines for anyone wanting a stylish, versatile synthetic wig that's comfortable enough for daily wear and flexible enough for heat styling. It's especially suited to those who want the luxury of long layers without the maintenance of natural hair. Just keep in mind that fit is personal, so it's worth checking measurements before purchase. If you've tried this wig or something similar, drop your thoughts in the comments below. I love hearing your experiences. And remember, you can find a purchase link in the description or comments. Thanks so much for tuning in to Beautyistic. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.